Well, as regard item number 9, my lord, may I pray, my lord, the matter may be taken up anytime after 7th of next month.
Okay. You are for?
I'm for respondent number 5.
5. Okay. That two alternative lands were
Two
given.
alternate.
Whether that's permissible, that second one.
Second one, because my lord, it is like that is permissible.
Because this court,
9.
the first land it was not there. You
Yes.
came up before this court. This court, you identified a second land.
Yes.
Said that proceed with that.
But the second
But
land,
that second land, there was some dispute between you and the
Leaseholder.
lesser.
Yeah.
So then you could not give it, but you gave a third plot of land. Third plot of land now gave.
own
For
land.
that third plot of land, there was no order from this court.
There is no order, but there is no bar.
That's the only
it
thing,
is-
because
yeah.
that guidelines that were there at that point of time, subsequently they have changed it.
Yeah.
It had been diluted a bit, but
Diluted.
then it was in a
Because-
different.
Because if I hold the land, my lord, and supposing if I, for whatever, because it is ultimately it is decided on draw.
Because
draw of
see,
lots.
the draw of lots come in relation to the land. Either you have a 19 years land, leased land, or you have your own land. You have now finally given a land which is your own,
That will be
but
the-
that was not given in the first instance.
Hmm.
So
That is-
only to that extent, the thing has to be examined, whether
Yes.
that is permissible or not.
Yes.
When do you want it? You give me a date.
Another thing is that
Seven-
We
that
will
land
see.
should be
We'll see it, sir.
seven-
But see, the installation has already been made, and it is operating for the last so many years.
5 years.
So whether an equity court will be required to go into it until and unless you can show that it is apparently illegal. Otherwise, this court may not be in a position to interfere with that. Right, Mr. Das?
Right.
When?
After 7, when I need it.
You give me a date. I will fix it on that.
My lord, let it be on 15th.
15. Mr. Islam, as agreed to by the Learned Council for the parties, registry to list this matter again on 15/5/2025 for admissions.
Declare.
Yes, Mr. Khan.
But as regards item number 3, perhaps this matter has become infractuous, but I could not contact my client. And I need a week's time so that they can just confirm whether to withdraw this matter or not.
Because there was an interim direction,
Yes,
and in terms of that, you have already.
that we don't have instructions. That
And
is why
further,
just
Mr.
one-
Dhar, one thing. The interim order was passed on the plea that the matter, the proceeding, the rules of the games were changed when the game had
Yes.
already begun. But you have not disclosed on the date when you had submitted your bid. Admittedly, you had submitted your bid after the extension.
Uh,
The
Here,
matter, the
So,
date was
no, my-
extended.
no, my lord, the date was extended
You had submitted your
Earlier.
bids
earlier,
before the
before this order was came into.
before
Interim
the
order.
corrigendum was issued.
Yes, that is why this petition was. filed.
55 to 65.
Yes.
Okay. Mr. Aid, Learned Council appearing for the petitioner submits that he be granted a week's time to receive instructions from the petitioner as to whether the matter is to be proceeded with. Full stop. Prayer is not objected to by the Learned Council for the respondents. Accordingly, registry to list this matter again on 14,
My lord,
14/5/2020.
obliged, my lord.
May I please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 10. Lordship, allow us further 1 week time to obtain instruction.
You are for?
GST Lordship, on behalf of SCCAR.
Madam, this was pending for such a long time. Only thing required is how you have given the notice. That's all. And for why that so much time is required. We'll have it next week. Have your dates. On the prayer meet on by the Learned Standing Council GST for an adjournment in the matter to complete her instructions, the prayer not being objected to by the Learned Council for the petitioner, registry to list this matter again on 16/5/2025.
I'm appearing for the
Yes, ma'am.
petitioner, Your Lordship. I'm appearing for the petitioner, Your
Ah.
Lordship. In this
Okay.
matter. Your Lordship.
Okay, not objected.
Much obliged.
Highly obliged.
Yes, Your Lordship. So I beg to mention item number 21, Lordship. Highly agenda matter for the day, Lordship. Supplementary list.
Yes, where is Mr. Soike?
He's out of station, Lordship.
He was supposed to,
Yes, Lordship, but due to some personal difficulties, he's not able to be in Lordship.
okay, one matter you made a mention in the morning, it went in your favor, but this will not go in your favor. So we'll adjourn.
Yes, Lordship.
On the prayer made on behalf of Mr. P.J. Soike for an adjournment in the matter today on account of personal inconvenience. Comma, prayer not being objected to by the learned council. A prayer has been made on behalf of Mr. P.J. Soike, learned counsel, appearing for the petitioner on the ground of personal inconvenience, comma, save not being objected to by the learned counsel for the respondents. Registered to list this matter again on when?
After a week, Lordship.
When is he coming back? We'll forget. That's the problem. 28, 4, 2025.
Public Lordship.
Or 30, good, 30.
Yeah, please, my lord. My lord, I beg to mention item number 4 as per instruction of the petitioner, my lord, withdraw this matter, my lord.
Your name?
A. Dutta, my lord.
Mr. A. Dr. Learned Counsel for the petitioner, comma, on instruction submits that the petitioner desires not to press the matter any further. Also, accordingly, he prays that he be permitted to withdraw the present writ petition. Also, prayer accepted, writ petition stands dismissed on withdrawal.
Deeply blessed.
Item 1.
May it please your lordship.
Hmm,
But I
yes.
need 10 days time, my lord, to imprint that.
Ah.
Otherwise, your lordship could have referred the matter back to the,
That was, but we saw this order.
my lord. Lordship may fix it on second, my lord. I'll try my best to file.
Mr. N.J. Dr. Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner submits that he be given a week's time to bring on record, to file file appropriate application for
Imprint.
substituting
Yes.
the respondents number
4
4
and 7.
and 6 by their legal heirs. Full stop. Prayer is not objected to by the learned counsel for the respondents. Full stop. Accordingly, raised it to list this matter again after a week. After 2 weeks,
Right.
on a date to be fixed by.
I am obliged.
Public.
Yes, madam. What is this arrangement with regard to allotment of land? What is this status of this Gram Sabha?
In our, we have a reply, my lord, which is received on 2019 itself, but affidavit not filed. In that matter, my lord, nothing has stated that it's on behalf of PWD money.
No, you say that you have neither acquired any land or you have not made
It's a
any
government
construction.
Already stand of the PW, probably that it is existing land, they have renovated it.
Oh,
That is the stand, my lord. And he
I
has
found
some,
something.
from the pleadings, it is discernible that he has some dispute with regard to respondent number 7, my lord. He has occupied some government land due to which.
They are
his
not
land
aware
is-
of any acquisition of
his land
land
is
for
affected by
construction,
the-
not to speak of road, construction of road over the land of the petition. So that is the instruction you have.
No, my lord, we have not done anything in this respect, my PWD is the
Oh,
main department who
okay.
has renovated the land, my lord.
Okay, let's see. The petitioner comes. Second one. Otherwise, there is nothing.
And the dispute reflects to private dispute, my lord,
No,
regarding encroachment of patta land
Land,
in somebody's
because
private land.
582, 583, and you say
Yes.
584. And the Sabha had given it to him also and given it to somebody else. also.
That is their private
Let them go to
arrangements,
the
on
civil
what
court.
count they have
go
distributed
to
themselves, it doesn't
Fine,
reflect.
fine. Yes, who is appearing for the government here? He has got his relief.
2018 matter, now.
Nothing is there because the order was that he will be permitted to submit his. If they don't come in the second round, we'll dismiss. You are there.
My senior is on legs at the
Who?
MP Chaudhary Lordship.
Is there anything surviving here? Get your instructions. Get your instructions. You were required to your item number?
Five.
You were required to, your prayer was that your tender should be, to be taken. Court had permitted you to submit it manually. Thereafter, what happens? This case, how will it cover? Just get that instruction, come back after some time.
And also it's a for a period of 1 year.
1 year only.
1 year. Now.
I should not be appearing because I think I had appeared in this matter. My name is reflected as Learned Senior Special Counsel Foreigners Tribunal. I had accepted notice. List before any other. bench. Before-
I'm not came against the orders of the furnace tribunal.
Be that as it may, I had appeared in the matter.
Oh,
It's a devoter matter.
sorry, sir.
Devoter.
Yes.
I had appeared in the matter. Mr. Payang is responsible for that.
Yes.
He had allotted the views.
Apply.
Yes, Mr. Payang, what do you say on number 7?
It can be
What is this?
disposed of, my lord.
Huh?
Debuta matter, my lord, remand the matter.
In terms of similar order, not similar, dispose of.
No, the thing is, okay, we can
Yes, yes.
remand it back. But if whether reference was placed before the SP by the
That
election
reflection-
department, what
that
is your case?
Reflection is not,
Not there, my lord.
Then
so give us some
it's
time.
all in air.
Yes,
Why should a citizen suffer?
Yes,
let it come out of 1 week, my lord.
See,
we'll obtain the instruction.
there are earlier proceedings also before this court.
Yes,
Wherein
right.
similarly you have that, we'll not permit the person to be harassed like this.
Lord,
If there is something, proceed.
Lord,
Get your instruction.
Yes.
Whether that election officer had
initiated any
forwarded
reference-
a report.
Yes.
Otherwise, Mr. Pine can do nothing
Yes, Lord.
because this is not his reference.
Lord.
When?
And after 1 week, Lord.
On the prayer of the Learned Standing Council Election Department, registry to list this matter again on 19/5/2025. On the next date of listing, Mr.
Yeah.
Yeah.
K. Ali.
AIL.
A. Ali. Shall complete his Learned Standing Council. Mr. A. Ali, Learned Standing Council Election Department shall complete his instruction and place the same before this court.
In this case,
Here, what is
the
happening?
petitioner's grievance is that he has been declared as an Indian by this honorable court. Your
Yes,
Lordship.
naturally, there is an order also.
Your Lordship. And as per our instruction, his name is no longer marked as D. Your Lordship. He is the electoral.
It no longer then. With this submission. by Mr. Interesting. But so far, my record is concerned in the year
This
2019.
25 voter list, Lordship.
So,
In second page, CL number 780. That is the name of the petitioner, Zahanuddin Sheikh. Pitam Nizam Sheikh, there is no D mark against him, Lordship. So now,
Is your instruction that his D has been removed?
yes, Lordship. This is the latest voter list.
Yes, Mr. Mr. K, heard Mr. K, Learned Council for the petitioner, also heard Mr. G. Pine, Learned Council, Learned Standing Council, Foreigners Tribunal,
yes, madam.
appearing for the respondent number 2, 4, 2 and 4.
Yes.
Also heard Mr. A. Ali, Learned Standing Council, Election Commission of India, appearing for the respondent number 5. Also, the present writ petition has been instituted by the petitioner praying for a direction upon the respondents to remove the D2 apostrophe without cover date shown against his name in the voters list of 2018
onward.
and thereafter. Full stop. The petitioner had earlier approached this court by way of instituting a writ petition being WPC number 381, 2016, and a division bench of this court wide order dated 31, 2018 had
Set aside the order dated 2/11/2000.
had set aside the order impugned therein passed by the Foreigners Tribunal, Hubri. Foreigners Tribunal bracketed Roman 2 date hour, comma Hubri in FT case number 1221/BP DLP/2011, wherein he was declared as a foreigner. He was declared
Foreigner. But the High Court, this honor court declared, set aside that order. Foreigner tribunal.
He was declared foreigner, this honorable court, my lord.
no.
Foreigner-
Had approached this court earlier by way of instituting WPC number so and so.
Yes.
This court, the division bench of this court, wide order dated 31, 2018, had interfered with the order dated 2/11/2015 passed by the Foreigners Tribunal 6th Dhubri in FT case number 20/2015, declaring the petitioner to be a foreigner who had illegally entered into India, bracketed Assam, from Bangladesh after 25/3/1971. Also, when the matter is taken up today, Mr. A. Ali, Learned Standing Counsel, Election Commission of India, has on instruction submitted that the name of the petitioner, the D tag mark incorporated in the voters list against the name of the petitioner has since been removed, and in the present voters list of 2025, a copy of which is being produced, the same does not reflect the petitioner to be a D. So D2 to me,
In quotation.
D voter. In view of the above position, the grievance raised by the petitioner in the present writ petition stands as interest, and accordingly, no further order is called for to be passed herein. Full stop. Accordingly, the present writ petition stands disposed of basing on the submissions made by Mr. A. Ali, Learned Standing Counsel, Election Commission of India.
I will also appear for respondent number 6.
6, J. Pine, Uporot, respond number 6.
That coordinator.
A copy of the voters list of 2025 as produced by Mr. A. Ali is kept on record and marked as X.
Obliged to. Obliged.
My lord, I think 9.
9, they have mentioned it, both parties.
At least they should inform me where the main stakeholder, either
You are?
IOCL.
Oh, the petitioner was here and Mr. B.D. Das was here. We forgot about it.
They should at least.
We have
maintain
fixed
the-
it on, Mr. Sharma, we have fixed it on Kiman Tarike. 15/5.
My lord.
We had asked them as to how you have given the third plot of land. That's the only issue.
Yes, my lord.
We'll see.
15. Obliged.
In this case, Lordship, I prayed for some time to file my affidavit here. 1 week's time, Lordship.
You are for the,
Explosive.
where is the order of the National Green Tribunal?
That I will,
Final
final order.
order.
My lord, final order is not with me.
Then how are you making these claims before this court? That it's the final, the court had, Green Tribunal had already allowed. Because they find that your institution to be, the petrol pump to be within the prohibited range.
Yes.
From a school, a Namghor, and something else. Then
Then there is a order for re-inspection, my lord.
re-inspection also, the same thing has come out.
Then, my lord, the reply was submitted.
And you have brought in on record a survey report by some private surveyor. That cannot be.
I will ask for the final copy of the judgment.
Because the same issue was before the National Green Tribunal,
Yes, that's
right?
Yes.
Okay, Mr. S.S. Roy, Leonard, CGC, appearing for the respondent number
Lordship seven.
3, submits that he be granted 2 weeks' time to 2 and 3.
2 and 3.
2 weeks' time to bring on record the affidavit on behalf of the respondents represented by him. Also, prayer is not objected to by the Learned Council for the petitioner. A registry to list this matter again after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by him. Also, Mr. Roy shall invariably, before the next date of listing, bring on record the affidavit on behalf of the respondents represented by him. See, a small issue is there. Why keep it pending? And you also
I will produce it.
take the
My lord, there is interim order that may be.
interim order, if any, to continue till the next date of this.
Okay.
Yes,
I have received the instruction,
but
but not the actual order of this reservation. They said that this reservation has been done. I asked for
that
the,
whole area now it's
Yes.
construction, even the cat building is coming up
Yes.
there. Why not?
Now the
Commissioner of
district
Police, everybody.
That is for public purpose, Lord.
No, there are private persons also.
No, who are they, Lord? Who
Ramkishan
are
sir.
they? Let them. let
You
them
have
show.
given them, mister.
No,
You
no,
have,
they are not
there is a recommendation of the Land Advisory Committee also.
Yes.
Then you're filing any affidavit? Mr.
Yeah, from our side, Lordship, we have filed our.
You are appearing for?
I'm for revenue department. That's one.
Are you filing any affidavit?
Lordship may kindly grant me some time because it's a voluminous document I have received.
94 day,
Mr. Sharma,
Yes, my lord.
Lordship,
no, if it is there, prohibit for all.
no, Lordship, easier lands can be under the land policy, most probably Lordship is 6.1 of the.
175 part Doug
Yes.
number 175 part.
No,
New.
Lordship, regarding that easier land, Lordship, they for
That's it.
public purposes.
The entire Ulubari, that area was a VGL land. Public purpose, I
Yes.
forget. But if you come to your own the reply that has been filed,
Yes, Lordship, they.
page 72, they have given a list.
Yes, page 72.
Okay,
Lordship.
Mr. A. Chakraborty, Learned Council.
Bhattacharya.
Huh?
Bhattacharya.
Oh, hey, Bhattacharya, Learned Council appearing for the Standing Council Revenue Department, appearing for the respondents number
1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, and 4. Submits that he be given 2 weeks' time to bring on record the stand of the said respondents represented by him on record. Full stop. Prayer is not objected to by the Learned Council for the petitioner. Full stop. Accordingly, registry to list this matter after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by. Next date, we'll see.
Lordship,
My lord, in fact, 94 itself, it was de-reserved.
No,
94.
that they'll have to bring it
yes,
on
Lordship,
record.
revenue.
I got the.
We have been also hearing from a long time that it is re-reserved.
Yes,
I've
they
not
are
seen the
taking
order
time for-
till now.
And again.
Yes, Mr. Vaishak.
My lord, it's a simple matter, my lord.
Yes.
We are within the jurisdiction of state.
Lordship, some more time for
Why?
filing.
I had given you time on 21-25. Thereafter, coordinate banks had given you further time on 2-4-25. And still now you are not been able to.
My lord, we have.
Only thing whether he is in Nagaon or within your jurisdiction, that much only.
Our
Yes, ma'am.
jurisdiction.
He says he has taken it from Kotiatoli. Kotiatoli is in Nagaon.
It
A
comes
border.
under Boithalang, sir.
Wait a minute.
No, my.
Hmm.
Well,
You
We'll bring
satisfy.
instruction, we'll bring instruction.
That
Lordship.
much
I'll-
only.
I'll-
When? Give me a date.
After 2 weeks. I'll
And
write
if you
the
don't give me, if your affidavit is not on record, this matter is pending for a long time. When? Give me a date.
After 2
No,
weeks,
give me a
Lordship.
date. I don't want 2 weeks.
We have received our department instructions.
Year 40,
Finance and Taxation Department.
give me. You're paying this professional tax to which authority? State?
My lord.
Huh?
My lord.
You have any
I-
document to?
Yes, madam.
Well, just show me.
Page 50, Annex 3. At the end of vernacular at page 52.
This is by the Kotiatoli Anchalik Panchayat.
My lord.
No, this is with regard to that Panchayati Raj.
We are paying tax to the state of Assam, my lord.
Through
and
the Panchayat.
My,
The superintendent of taxes is not under your control. Barbie Anglong, it's a transfer subject.
my lord, this falls under purview of KS, my lord,
KS.
Karbing Autonomous Council.
Miss so-and-so, learned counsel appearing, standing counsel, KASC summits that the affidavit on behalf of the respondents represented by her would be invariably filed on or before 9/5/2025. Full stop. Accordingly, a registry to list this matter again on 14/5/2025 along with the said affidavit. In the event the affidavit as undertaken is not filed, this court would proceed to consider the issue arising in the present proceeding, in the present petition, basing on the materials already available. We'll just give them one chance.
Please, ma'am.
Yes, what happened to the threat perception report?
Lordship, I need some little accommodation, Lordship. The verification today, probably communication was.
See, your affidavit says
Lordship.
that the threat perception report once prepared, then again it was prepared and it was forwarded.
Lordship.
Let him know.
I'll place it, Lordship.
Let him know whether he will get it or not.
I'll place it.
That's all.
I'll place it.
If you say there is no threat perception, we are not here to adjudicate on that.
Lordship.
But you cannot leave him hanging.
Lordship, I'll place it.
Mr. Chaudhary, we'll give them one more chance next week.
But so many dates already.
I know, understand.
Keeping that your lordship fix, my lord.
I'll fix it. Because the assessment we cannot do.
That's true.
They'll have to do. And they say they have done it. What is this SSRC?
But only they have to see whether the education we made, because already they were released on bail. After coming from bail, my lord, they again threatening their by 8 years. Child, my lord,
He is the main accused in the multiple cases. He and his wife, Lordship. Main accused in the multiple cases, Lordship.
More the reason
Lordship.
to be given security.
Lordship.
So that he'll not do anything.
They have filed court cases, Lordship. So many
No,
cases, so many.
You give him security, so he'll be also tied down. He'll not do
Then
any activity.
He'll be Lordship more powerful, Lordship.
Okay, you take that call.
Lordship.
Heard Mr. H.R.H. Chaudhary, learned senior counsel, appearing for the petition, assisted by S.S. Ahmed, assisted by Mr. S.S. Ahmed, learned counsel, appearing for the petitioner. Also, Mr. K. Gogoi, learned additional senior government, advocate, appearing for the respondent, submit that he be granted time till final. When?
Fifth or seventh, Lordship.
We'll give you time till 9,
Lordship.
till 9/5/2025 to complete his instructions in the matter and apprise this court as regards the threat perception, as regards the decision taken with regard to the threat perception expressed by the petitioner in the present proceedings,
By the Lordship, SSRC.
whoever it is,
Lord.
by the respondent's query. Full stop. According, prayer is accepted as a last chance. The state respondents are granted time till 9/5/2025 to complete the exercise involved in the matter
Yes.
and apprise this court about the decision so taken. Full stop. Registered to list this matter again on 14/5/2025. Mr. Burwa, wait for some more time. The GP is already, the elections are already underway.
My lord.
So let it happen.
However, there is more than one objection on their part. They are not only saying,
Be that as it
Yes.
may, once that is over,
Yes.
they will have no other way out but
Yes.
to constitute the body.
I'm obliged.
11th of May is the counting of the panchayat elections.
We'll give you time till June,
Lordship.
but in the meantime, do it.
Yes,
Once that is done.
yes.
As prayed for by the Learned Council for the parties, registry to list this matter again on 4/6/2025.
Obliged,
On the next date of listing, the Learned Council for the respondents shall apprise this court as regards the further steps taken for constitution of the board in question.
Of the
Committee of the, it's called the
agriculture marketing.
Agriculture Marketing Committee.
Lanka regulated market.
GSL, just write it down. No. Full stop.
Obliged.
I'm obliged.
My lord, kindly participate for the time being, my lord, my senior KK Mahanta is on lakes, my lord.
Yes, what is your instruction?
One of the instruction is that my telephone instruction is that matter had been posted before the Mayor in Council. Managing Tribunal had authorized the commissioner to take action, my lord. I am waiting for that Mayor in Council meetings minutes as well as the action of the.
See, there are repeated orders here.
Well, I have seen the appeal also has given that
Bend in his
only
way,
the
but-
action has to be taken by the commission.
Why the delay?
Well, the commissioner has also put it before the Mayor in Council, the highest body, my lord.
The man is suffering. There is a sanitary thing now again built up there, bathroom built up there in his
Yeah.
land. Why-
Not still posted after 10 days. In the meantime, the action will be taken.
Mr. S. Bora, Learned Standing Council, Guwahati Municipal Corporation submits that the matter be taken up on, again, on when? 14 to, let us take it up on 7,
17.
7/5.
7/5.
7/5.
7/5.
2025, on which date he shall apprise this court about the action taken by the respondent authorities with regard to the grievance raised by the petitioner in the present proceedings.
Obliged.
Right. This is regarding partition and demarcation, my lord. The partition order already passed by the circle officer, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Das, what is happening?
My lord,
Already,
we have filed an affidavit in this regard, my lord. The para 8 and 13 is very much clear.
my lord, come to page 54, my lord, first. Of the writ petition, my lord. This is a partial partition. so
Now
the-
you have decided to carry out that.
Yes.
But why are you not taking it to its
The
logical conclusion?
latest instruction I don't have, my lord. Today only I have.
Mr. Let him have it. Because we pass an order again, it will be the same thing. It will lie like that. You'll have to come back in contempt. Let's see what they do. Mr. Das, Learned Council appearing for Learned State Council, Learned Government Advocate appearing for the respondents, state respondents. Submits that he be given a week's time to receive updated instructions with regard to the claim made by the petitioner for demarcation of the plot of land in question.
Demarcation and partition.
But the demarcation and partition of the land in question, full stop. Prayer is not objected to by the Learned Council for the petitioner, registry to list this matter again on 30/4/2024. On which date Mr. Das shall invariably please apprise this court about the steps taken in the matter by the respondent after filing of the affidavit in opposition by the respondent number 4. Right, 4,
Yes,
done?
my lord. Obliged.
The license, the suspension has been withdrawn, it seems. Mr. Das? Wholesale license was suspended.
18, my lord. 18.
Last time, Mr. Roman had said that the license has been, suspension has been withdrawn. Specific instructions. I think that's why he's not here, it has been withdrawn. You have any instruction?
No, my lord.
Why? Your clients are not in talking terms with you.
After a long time, the matter is listed.
Wow. Second round of money. We'll take it up in the second round. If they come, otherwise we'll close it. Yes.
Please, my lord. My lord, as per notice was not served, my lord, the Lodgement Court order, my lord, 2/12/2022, my lord, respondent number 4, 5, and 6, my lord. Address was not found, my lord.
Huh? No. And this matter is pending like this from 22. You have not even taken care of.
Now, my lord, as per page 10, annexure 1, my lord, page 10.
Hmm.
This MSC case filed by this respondent, my lord, respondent number 4, 5, and 6.
Hmm.
This page 10, my lord. This claimant, my lord.
Hmm.
This all address there is mentioned, my lord.
Any interim order here? No. Amount has
Yes,
been.
my lord.
Oh.
Yes, my lord. There is an interim order. Challenge, my lord.
You take Dusty.
Okay, my lord. But well, the address was not found, my lord. This justice.
How can? Who are you? Pradeep?
Pradeep
Swikya,
is, my lord.
the husband of
Yes, my
the
lord.
debtor number 2.
But
You will have to.
as per my lord.
You take steps. Otherwise, how will we proceed with the matter?
Yes, ma'am. That is difficult, my lord.
The Mr. Your name?
Hey, Dr. My lord.
Mr. A. Dr. Learned Counsel for the petitioner submits that he be permitted to take steps for service of notice upon the respondents number 4, 5, and 6 through by way of Dusty mode routed through the registry of this Dusty mode. Full stop. Prayer is not objected to by the Learned Counsel for the state respondents. Full stop. Prayer accepted. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice upon the respondents number 4, 5, and 6 by way of Dusty mode routed through the registry of this court. Full stop. On taking of such steps, on effecting of such service of notice upon the said respondents, the petitioner to file an affidavit in the matter. The registry to list this matter again after 4 weeks. Full stop. The petitioner shall before the next date of listing, bring on record the affidavit of service of notice upon the respondent number 4, 5, and 6.
Deeply obliged, ma'am.
Mr. Bhuyan, before we open the file,
My lord,
any one of the persons is an advocate.
petitioner.
Huh?
Yes, my lord.
Lady,
Look, says my lord.
list before any other bench without me. She has discussed the matter with me,
Right.
not once, but many times. That's why when I was going through it, especially the fire incident, it looked very familiar to me.
Already won by
Who?
Honorable Justice Seri Chaudhary has also replaced.
It will not look nice.
Because we are apprehending the demolition, that's the problem.
Raised, full stop.
2024, lords. I am here, lords. 2024 notice, not till now. It has
Don't do anything till the matter is considered by this court. That much you can do.
No, otherwise.
There is no
also-
order.
No,
But,
lordship, otherwise.
but as an officer of the court,
Yes, lord.
kindly see to that nothing is done till the next day,
Lordship,
because we
recently-
can't pass an order.
Lordship, recently Supreme Court.
List this matter before any other bench without me. Full stop. The petitioner has expressed urgency in the matter. Accordingly, the petitioner is permitted to approach the registry for early listing of the matter. Early listing of the matter by way of early listing of the matter. Full stop. Yes.
No, otherwise, Supreme Court recently passed one order, in fact, 2 orders, lordship, wherein a detailed guideline has been laid down, lordship. What is required to be done by the authority prior to demolition, even if the order is passed on.
So do
So
whatever
we
you
have
want
to
to
follow
do,
that-
but
those
don't
guidelines.
demolish
Okay.
at least till the next date when the matter is considered. After the consideration, do whatever you
There
want.
only one
Lots of
thing I want to say,
purposes.
that these are all temporary sets, we are just leaving them.
I know that.
Because
You need
after.
not, now the whole scenario is before me, I know that.
Well, oblige me.
None appears for the petitioner even on second call, full stop. Ms. M. Burma, learned government advocate, is present for the state respondents. Full stop. In view of the above, the writ petition stands dismissed for non-prosecution.
Obliged.
Nothing is there. If there's something,
I
let them
don't
come
think
back.
so. ma'am.
Yes, Mr. Vasdos, anything left here?
I think the tender has followed its usual course.
Then-
Otherwise, there's nothing.
Mr. P. Bhadwar, Mr. M. Sharma, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner submits that
Must
You are-
have, because I don't, the prayers and the order, which was.
the order gave you everything.
It gave us that,
Submits that during the pendency of the present writ petition, the issue involved has since become infructuous. Accordingly, he submits that the petition may be closed. Full stop. Prayer accepted. The writ petition stands closed as having become infructuous.
I'm grateful, my lord.
None appears for the petitioner even on second call. Full stop. Accordingly, the present writ petition stands dismissed. For non-prosecution. Full stop. Or was it? Come to mind. Do the 5 minutes.